Alright, I'll be going through another question, and this question is on probability. Okay, and this is question 15 of the May-June paper 0580-2023. Okay, let's look at question number 15. Now, for question number 15, a bag contains 5 green buttons, 2 blue buttons, and 6 white buttons. So let's highlight this: 5 green, 2 blue, and 6 white. So Maya takes 2 buttons at random without replacement. Calculate the probability that one button is green and the other button is not green. Okay, for this particular question, it will be good that we draw a diagram. So let's try to draw a diagram. So first, we have 3 possibilities for the first button to be drawn. So it will be green, blue, or white. Okay, so in this case, the probability to draw a green button is actually, let's count the total number of buttons first. So the total buttons will be 5 plus 2 plus 6, and this will give us 13. Okay, so the denominator of the probability will be 13. So to draw a green button, it will be 5 over 13. To draw a blue button will be 2 over 13. And to draw a white button, it will be 6 over 13. Okay, because the next button that we want is not green, so the first button is green, so we want this particular track, so we want this track. Okay, now then let's extend this. So we will have, from here, I can draw another 3 possibilities. I can draw either green, blue, or white. But in this case, it is without replacement. So my denominator will be 12. And the probability of drawing another green will be 1 less, so will be 4. In this case, will be 2 for blue and 6 for white. So if we look again, because we want the other button to be not green, so we will be following this path, which is blue, and this path, which is white. So we want this path and this path. So to write it out, so what we want is actually the probability of green then blue plus the probability of green then white. So this will be, for the first case, for green and blue, will be 5 over 13 multiplied by 2 over 12 plus 5 over 13 multiplied by 6 over 12. Okay, so just bear in mind that when we are moving down the branch, we multiply. The different cases, we will have to add them. So in this case, we will just use the calculator. 5 divided by 13 times 2 divided by 12. The first case will be 5 over 78. And the second case will be 5 over 26. And if we add them up, will be 10 over 39. So the answer will be 10 over 39. Okay, thank you.